I have here two AHD Spy or hidden cameras, and in this video I'll take you through a step-by-step process in setting up these two cameras. In our setup, we would require coaxial cables for video connection from each camera into a DVR. We need these two 12 volts power adapters to supply power to each of the two Spy cameras. And of course, we require a DVR into which we will connect the cameras and display what happens in the DVR on a monitor like the one I have here. We'll now start the setup process, and here are my Spy or hidden cameras. This is my first coaxial cable which I will use for connecting the first camera. So I'll connect this end to the video terminal of my first camera and connect this other end into the DVR. So we are left with power to connect into this camera. So with my first power adapter, I'll connect this end into the power terminal of the camera. This end is supposed to be plugged into a power socket, but we will do that after every connection is done. So we'll put it down for now. I will now connect my second camera, so I'll connect the coaxial cable into the video terminal of this camera and take this other end into the DVR. We will as well connect power to the camera using this adapter. So I'll connect this end into the camera. This means that the second camera is also fully connected. On the DVR, we are left with a VGA cable to connect here and also connect power into the DVR. So I'll use this VGA cable. I'll connect one end on the DVR. And this other end will go into the monitor. So I'll fix it into the monitor here and lock it up. Here is an adapter to power up the DVR. So I'll go ahead and plug it here. Here are the two adapters we connected to the cameras. We'll now plug them up on the power socket. We will also connect that of the DVR to the power socket. You can see the DVR is loading up now, and the cameras are also loading up. As you can see, the cameras are fully loaded and ready. Please let me hear from you if you have any comments or questions about this video. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also give this video a thumbs up. It gives us lots of encouragement to do more of these videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.